Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. Bottle 1 contains a mixture of milk and water in 7:2 ratio, and bottle 2 contains a mixture of milk and water in 9:4 ratio. So we have two bottles, bottle 1 and bottle 2. So in bottle 1, milk and water are 7:2, and in another bottle this is 9:4. So in what ratio of volumes should the liquids in bottle 1 and bottle 2 should be combined to obtain a mixture of milk and water in 3:1 ratio? So this is a very clear allegation problem, and we will see two methods to solve this question. First one using the direct formula of allegation, and second one we'll try to solve this algebraically. Both are easy, and you can adopt the method which is suitable to you. So we know, as per rule of allocation, if we have two materials, let's say cheaper material and dearer material, and if their mean is m, okay, then here, because this is cheaper and mean will be more than cheaper, here we'll write m minus c, and for dearer material it's d minus m. Okay, so according to this rule, c is to d is equals to d minus m by m minus c. Okay, so now here what do we have? Here we have, instead of c and d, or cheaper and dearer material, we can say instead of c we can say this is bottle 1, instead of d we can say bottle 2. Okay, and same way here, so instead of d and c we can say bottle 2 and bottle 1. Sorry, we can write in capital B also. So okay, so according to this rule we can write b1 is to b2 equals to this. Okay, so here we go. So b1 by b2 should be b2 minus m by m minus b1. So here I am writing these variables just to make you understand, otherwise you can directly put the values also. Now see, here we cannot use both milk and water both, so we have to stick to one. Either we use milk or we take water everywhere. Okay, if we take both, it's not gonna work. So in bottle 2, the concentration, let's say we are taking everywhere milk, so in bottle 2 concentration of milk is 9 by 13. Okay, and in bottle 1 it's 7 by 9. So bottle 2 9 by 13, and mean is given as, so we want a ratio of 3:1, right? So if we consider milk only, milk should be 3 by 4. So here in this case mean is 3 by 4. So 9 by 13 minus 3 by 4 upon mean is 3 by 4 minus b1, which is 7 by 9. Okay, so everywhere we have considered the concentration of milk upon the total volume. You can either take milk or either take water, whatever. Okay, so then here we'll have 52 36 minus 39 upon 36 and 27 minus 28. Okay, so we'll have 3 into 36 by 52, so 4 and 9. So from here we get 27 by 13. Okay, so 27 by 13 is the correct answer. By considering water everywhere, again you can get the same answer. Okay, so this was using the formula of allocation. Now we can see one more way of solving this problem algebraically. Okay, that is also easy. Let's see that. So in bottle 1 we have 7 units of milk and 2 units of water and in B2 we have 9 units of milk and 4 units of water. Okay, so let's say the ratio in which we will be mixing these two liquids is K:1. Okay, that means we are taking if we are taking K units of liquid from bottle 1, we will take 1 unit of liquid from bottle 2. Okay, so even if K will come in fraction, that's fine, it will go to denominator and we will get the answer. Okay, so usually if I take the algebraical approach in ratio and proportional problem, I'll assume K:1, because then we have to deal with just one variable instead of taking X:y or any other symbols, okay, or A:b. So let's take K:1. Okay, so if we are mixing this in the ratio K:1, the final mixture that we will have, let's say in that milk by water is, this should be 3/1, right? This is given. So how much milk we will have? Okay, so we are taking K units of liquid from bottle 1. So if we take K units of liquid from bottle 1, how much milk will we get from bottle 1? We'll get 7/9 milk. Okay, so 7/9 into K. So in 1 unit we will get 7/9 liters of bottle. Sorry. So in 1 liter, if we have 7/9 of liters of milk, then in K liters we will have 7/9 into K milk, right? Plus milk from bottle 2. So in 1 liter we have so 9/13 units of milk we will get from bottle 2, okay, into 1. And similarly water will get, so from here we will get 2/9 K units of water from bottle 1, and we will get 4/13 into 1 units of water from bottle 2. Okay, so so this will be equals to, okay, so this will be equal to 7/9 K plus 9/13 equals to, this will get multiplied, so we'll have 6/9 K plus 12/13. Okay, so from here 7/9 minus 6/9 we'll have K/9 equals to 12/13 minus 9/13, so this will be 3/13, or we get the value of K as 27/13. Okay, so our assumption was we'll have to mix these two liquids in ratio K:1, and K:1 is 27/13, so 27/13 is the answer. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.